Hey everyone, this is your daily dose of medicine. In today's video, we're going to talk about hypertensive emergency as well as crisis. Let's get started with the emergency. It's an acute marked elevation in blood pressure that is associated with signs of target organ damage. It can cause lung damage, kidney damage, brain damage. You can see pulmonary edema, cardiac ischemia, neurologic deficits, acute renal failure. The difference between crisis and emergency is signs of end organ damage. In hypertensive crisis, we only have acute increase in blood pressure, or systolic blood pressure will be over 180, or diastolic blood pressure will be over 120. And hypertensive emergency, we have signs of end organ damage plus hypertensive crisis. We have acute increase in blood pressure and also signs of end organ damage. And that was the end of this video. If you find it helpful, consider liking, commenting down below, and see you later.